Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. I'm warmly welcome you all for this machine learning masterclass series day 1. And before going on to this today's session, I really want to talk something with you, which was like this Thursdays is gonna be completely different because like you may guys have attended a lot of session from a lot of sources like some other YouTube channels or from your colleges, but this online session is going to be totally different because this 30 days is going to be practical oriented because the machine learning masterclass, which is going to be categorized into supervised and unsupervised and reinforcement. Under each and every category, you're going to be building more than 28 plus project, and I hope you guys are super excited for this today's session to no like to build a 28 plus project by yourself. Each and every project which is going to be covering up with one algorithm. So each and every day the session is going to be like you're going to learn a concept and you're going to learn you're going to build a project, and you're going to learn a concept and you're going to build a project. So likewise, each and every day there is going to be one individual algorithm and you're going to be building one project. So once you have completed this 30 days, you're going to have 28 plus projects in your hand. Okay, so and I hope you guys are super excited for this today's session. You just post if you all super excited. You just post I'm super excited Sanjay in your live chat, and don't think about my hair, it was totally messy. Okay, so yeah, so before going on to the session, I really wanted to welcome the people present here. Here there are a lot of people out there. Benamazagya, hi, good evening, good to meet you again. So it's really great thing. So Tech World, hi. Sis Official, hi. Pratiksha, hi. Divya, hi. Parvati, hi. And please call me Sanjay, guys. Okay, no need to call sir. Please call me Sanjay. And Abdullah, hi. Good evening. Thank you so much. And Sivans, thank you. Joshua, thank you. And Vinod Kumar, hi. Good evening. And Ayo, hi. Good evening. And Praveen, hi. Yoga Lakshmi, hi. Hani Chinnu, hi. Aman, hi. And Yuvarani, hi. Krupakar, hi. And Darlington Maposa, hi from South Africa. It's amazing. And Ilakya, hi. Rati, hi. And Samiullah, hi. And Swastik, hi. And Mahadi, hi. Hello, guys. Hello. Let's put in the fire. Amazing, guys. Screen of Mohar. That's amazing. Please post fire emojis as Mohar told. And Tarun, hi. Bishwant, hi. Parvati, hi. Vinod Kumar, hi. Sohali, hi. Kirtana, hi. Rajkumar, hi. That's amazing, guys. A lot of people are posting, super excited. It's really a great thing, guys. So be on here. So this session is not gonna be like boring. Okay, so it's gonna be super interactive and you can able to interact with me, and we're gonna be building 28 plus amazing project in this 3-day series. So today it's also gonna be valuable. Okay, so thank you so much for your love and support which you are giving in the live chat, guys. So first of all, while talking about an announcement, first of all, while talking about the attendance link, so attendance link will be available in each and every day live chat. So at the between or any time, it might be available at any time. So you should stay till the end, and also you should have 23 days of minimum attendance so that you'll be receiving free e-certificate for this webinar. Okay, so yes. You heard it right. That if you are completing this 30 days, at least if you are minimum of having 23 days of attendance, you are going to get free certificate as well. Okay, that is the second point. And third one, today's session is going to be around 90 minutes because only today, because we are going to be discussing a lot more stuffs, and also we have a lot of bonus session as well. I hope you really love bonuses. So that kind of bonuses is also going to be there. So you are going to stay till the end so that you are going to receive that. And Q&A. Yes, you can personally clear all your doubts by interacting with me. So finally, Q&A session is also going to be there, and on some days recorded might be broadcasted. Okay, so here there is a question why I need to stay till the end. The first one, I'm going to be asking 5 simple questions from this today's session. So you are going to answer that. Based on that, we are going to be announcing a gift. That is the first thing, first reason why you really want to stay till the end. And second reason, we have a bonus session where we are going to be creating a chatbot. So I hope you really like this, right? So the chatbot creation is going to be our bonus session. It is not in agenda even. So I just revealing it only for you now. So we are going to be creating a chatbot at the end. And third one, attendance. So yes, attendance link will be shared at any time in the live. So please stay focused onto the session. And fourth part where we are going to be showing like what are all the project which you are going to be published in your resume. So once you have completed this 30 days, that is also going to be showing. And finally, we're going to have mindset session to program your mind if you are having lack of confidence. So whatever you really want in your life that can be achieved with the help of configuring your mindset. That session is going to be there. Okay, so and before proceeding further, I really want to convey you something which is a lot of people used to think like this. Sanjay, I am from mechanical department. I am from computer science department, or I'm in working in already in BPO kind of non-technical technical related jobs. And also I haven't worked in Python. I don't have no programming. So a lot of people have thoughts running in their mind. So if these kind of thoughts running in your mind, you just post S Sanjay in your live chat. So okay. So if you are having these thoughts running in your mind, don't worry, because this 30 days is going to be completely from the scratch. Okay. So I'm going to be teaching you even how to install Python notebooks. Okay. It's going to be completely from the scratch. You no need to, what is it? You no need to worry about, okay, so we are going to be building a project. So do I need to get some prior knowledge? No need that. Okay. And while talking about prerequisites, if you are having a laptop, you can just watch me and you can type it and you can download the data from the internet and those stuff. But other than that, you can just completely watch it. You'll be getting a like super awesome project ideas. Okay, so let us begin. So before that, let me convey you something. There is a problem in for the people who wanted to learn something. So even though you are a school student, even though you are a college student, even though you are a professor, even though you are a working professional, everyone wants to learn, right? But while talking about learning, people are facing a major problem. So which is like universal problem. People are facing what the kind of problem is, if there is more content. For an example, if I'm going to be taking this class for 12 hours, you won't learn, right? So if it is like if even though it is a small concept, if I'm going to be teaching like 12 hours and those stuff, definitely you won't learn, like blah 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 blah. So it's like boring, so you won't learn. And second thing people won't learn is like if it is highly difficult, if the person is using a lot of technical terms, if the person is using very hard English or hard communication language, whatever, but definitely it'll affect our learning process. That's the second point. And third point, if there is a less application, for an example, if you are completing some certain course, if you can't even able to build your project by yourself, or it's like completely theory, definitely you'll be thinking like, oh god, it's completely theory, so you'll be feeling demotivated. So that is what less application. Guys, will you agree to this point, or you agree to this point? If you all agree to this, you just post I agree Sanjay in your live chat. And then we have not interactive. If the session is not interactive, like you can't able to interact with your instructor, definitely it is really difficult. And if the content is also not precise, if I'm going to take this class like blah blah blah, so you won't learn. So if the content is not precise. So, and also people used to tell Sanjay problem is lack of information. Actually, I'm telling you, problem is not a lack of information. Actually, the problem is information overload. What actually people need is a clear-cut, precise, and focused implementation with clear mentorship. So in this 30 days, your journey is going to be like that. So why we have created as a 30 days is because it is like a 30 days challenge. So whatever you really wanted to learn, so whatever the stuff which you are doing, if you are doing it for more than 30 days, it will be turned into a habit. So if you are just completely surfing your Instagram reels and those stuff for 30 days, it will be turn into a habit. You can't able to come out from that social media. How many of you people are having this problem? So if you all having this problem, you just post I have Sanjay in your live chat. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting yes, I agree Sanjay. So thank you so much. It's amazing batch out there, because these batch are really interacting a lot. Thank you so much, guys. You are super awesome. Yeah. So like whatever the stuff which you are doing for more than 30 days, it is going to be turned into a habit. So to make this learning as a habit for you, so we are making it as a 30 days course. So while talking about us, so this Pantech Solutions or this company is not like a just coaching basic company. It is actually a product basic company, which is around, it's crossing its 18th year, not even a 17 year. It's going to cross its 18 years, where it is just manufactured 300 plus products, and also it have lot of technological expertise. So like while talking about electronics, while talking about communication, while talking about the data science and AI and robotics and Internet of Things and cloud. So likewise, it's having a lot of technological expertise. Now what we just did is, with the help of the Warriorsway company, we are just transferring this complete knowledge in the format of courses, which is required by the industry. So even we are providing skill set, like technical skills and also soft skills, and also we are providing mindset coaching as well as money making coaching also we are providing. So this is what is all about. So, and before proceeding further, so yes, so it's me, myself, Sanjay. I'm working as a product manager and data scientist in Pantech.ai. So, while talking about my technological expertise, first of all, I started my career by working with the technology called brain computer interface. And I hope you already know about neural link by the Elon Musk, right? So what you just think about by like brain computer interface, connecting your brain with the computer. It will be helping you to solve your memory problem, which we used to have it in our exam days, right? So that kind of technology which I started my working in this, like my career started in there. And then I just moved on to embedded system because I'm completely from electronics and communication engineering. So I just started working in some other microcontrollers and internet of things, and parallelly I just started developing my knowledge on data science skills, especially like programming or SQL and those stuff, and artificial intelligence. And parallelly I just also worked on some blockchain like hyperledger and those stuff, and robotic operating system. I just worked on some like ROS concept to create autonomous robot design and those stuff. Okay, so let us begin our session. I hope you guys are ready. So if you are ready to learn from this, you just post fire emojis in the live chat, guys. Okay, so first of all, I'll be asking, I'm going to be starting the session by asking one simple question. How many of you people are here are having the thoughts like, Sanjay, my neighbor, my school friend, or my friends used to talk about data science, data analytics, or in YouTube, people used to talk about AI, data analytics, data science, and machine learning engineer, and deep learning or computer vision engineer. But I really don't know what is the difference between data science and data analytics. Even what is the difference between machine learning or deep learning? Even what is the difference between AI or data science? What is the difference between machine learning or deep learning? So do you guys have these confusion running in your mind? If you guys have these confusion running in your mind, you just post yes, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Shailesh, Mukul, Emimo John, and Balashankar, Madhu Elangi, and Naveen, and Dabi Hiral, and Ajay Singh, Darlington. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. You guys are posting fire emojis. That's amazing, guys. Yes, people are having that confusion. So what is that confusion is? So I really don't know what is the difference between those stuff. What they are doing, how they are getting high amount of salary, why they are getting that, right? So these are the thoughts running in your mind, right? So I hope a lot of people used to tell yes, Sanjay, yes, Sanjay. Please call me Sanjay, guys. No need to call sir. Please call me Sanjay. Okay, so that is what it's all about. Okay, so now let me clear all your clutter which is present in your brain. Okay, so I hope you guys are ready. So if you are ready, please post your responses in the live chat. So first of all, let us see this circle, or let us see this picture. Okay, I think you can able to see my slide, right? So you just observe this picture, not to understand what is data science, just to know what is the relationship between everything. Okay, because we can't able to tell data science without AI, because everything is going to be interlinked. Just see the picture for a minute, guys, or 30 seconds. There is one big circle called AI, artificial intelligence, of course. So inside that AI, we have machine learning. So machine learning is the subset of the AI, and deep learning, which is present inside the machine learning circle, so that we can able to know that deep learning is the subset of the machine learning. So this is one of the major circle which is out there. AI. Inside AI, we have machine learning. Inside machine learning, we have deep learning. This is the one of the circle which we have on the left hand side. On the other hand, on the right hand side, we have a data science is the major circle. And inside the data science, we have data analytics. Inside the data analytics, we have data mining. Okay, so or data analysis or etc. So that is on the right hand side. So but both the circle is been interlinked. So data science is going to take some part from AI, and AI is going to take some part from data science. And of course, and big data, while talking about a big data is also going to be interrelated with other two stuffs. Okay, guys, I hope you guys have got an idea how the relationship were. If you guys have got an idea, you just post one thumbs up emojis in the live chat, guys. Let us make it like a super interactive session, which is not happening in anywhere else. Okay, so let us make it, guys. Okay, just please give your responses in the live chat. Okay, did you guys have got an idea? So just hierarchy. So still now I haven't started explaining, guys. Don't worry about it. So just see how everything has been interlinked. Okay, so yeah, just give your responses in the live chat, guys. Yeah, that's amazing, guys. That's amazing. Yeah, first of all, let us explain the AI part. Okay, so I hope you all ready. So first of all, you guys tell me what are all the AI based movies you guys have watched so far. I think you might have watched a lot of movies based on the AI, right? Like based on artificial intelligence. You guys tell me what are all the AI movies you guys have watched so far. Because each and every movie, one good scientist gonna be there. He's going to create one robot, and bad robot somehow it will be emerged, and there will be a fight between good and then bad, but something. But while talking about the clear like outlook of AI robot is, it is gonna be the enhanced version of the human being on thought wise, on action wise. So it is gonna be super fast, and it is gonna be precise, and it is gonna be 24/7. So that is what the major thing which we guys have watched over. That is what AI which is gonna be trained by ourselves. Okay, for an example, let us take some people like Alvin is here, and Sujivan is here, and Aman is here, and Bhavya is here. So for an example, you just take as example. So Bhavya want to create a robot like her. Okay, just imagine. So Bhavya gonna create a robot like her. Okay, so how she used to talk, how she used to identify objects, so what all the knowledge she have. So knowledge is not like, I'm not talking about her programming knowledge and those stuff. I'm talking about the general human being knowledge. So what Bhavya actually will do is, Bhavya will transfer whole complete of her knowledge. Okay, so whole complete knowledge is like her each and every knowledge she used to transfer into the format of data. From the data, by with the help of concepts such as machine learning or deep learning and those stuff, the robot is going to get trained. Okay, and then it is going to do the action. Okay, that is what the AI. I hope you guys have got an idea. Yes, a lot of people have posted the movie names: Avengers, Avatar, iRobot, Ex Machina, Robocop, Lord of the Rings. Is there any AI in the Lord of the Rings? And Real Steel, yes, amazing. And like Oblivion, yes. And Indian Tamil movie, yes. And Robo, Terminator, Iron Man, yes, amazing guys, amazing answers. Avatar and Annihilation movie, that's amazing guys, that's amazing. Love you tons guys, thank you so much for giving responses. Yes, so that is what the AI. So just remember one point: as a human being, we need to transfer our knowledge or our experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. Are you clear? Okay, if you are clear, you just post clear Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, guys, are you all enjoying your session? So if you all enjoying your session, please give your comments in the live chat. Enjoying Sanjay. Okay, so that I'm gonna be giving you a lot more stuffs. And Janatul posted Megan movie. Yes, Megan movie recently, I think 2022. I think it just came. It was an amazing movie. I just also gone for the theater to watch it. It's also amazing movie. Yes, that's amazing, guys. Yes. So this is what an AI. I hope you guys have got an idea. So if you want to create a robot, you want to transfer your knowledge or your experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act, or it is going to solve our problem. That is what AI. It might be a progressive learning, it might be anything, but it is going to learn from the data and is going to solve some problem. That's what the data, and you can become an AI engineer, whatever else. That's one part. So now to clear your the biggest doubt running in your mind, like Sanjay, I really don't know what is the difference between data analytics or data science and those stuff. I really love to tell you a story. How many of you people really love stories? If you really love stories, ready to listen, you just post love stories, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so okay, shall I start telling a story? Because once you have crossed the story, if someone is asking what is the difference between data analytics and data science, you can able to give 100% output or 100% result without any confusion. Okay, so let me reveal that story. So I hope you guys are ready. Just give your responses in the live chat. YJY movies, enjoying. That's amazing, guys. Thank you so much. And Shivansh, and Kushipal, Durga. That's amazing, guys. Love stories. Not a love story, guys. You really love stories, right? Yes. So that's funny, guys. Yeah. So you just imagine there is a restaurant in your street or in your city, whatever. From 2020 or 2015 to 2020, restaurant ran really well. Okay, there are a lot of people coming in, and so there are a lot of sales on that year of 2015 to 2020. Okay, please come with the story. So that restaurant ran very well, and they guys have maintained their data. They maintained their data in the sense the everyday billing, right? So billing in the sense like chapati or roti or dosas or idli, whatever. So that list is going to be maintained, and every data they guys have maintained it properly. It might be an Excel sheet, it might be CSV file, it might be a notepad file, whatever else. But they guys have maintained their data, and also like ratings, food rating. So what is the ambience rating, what is the dosa rating, what is the idli rating? So likewise they used to have the each and every ratings, even the Swiggy, Zomato. So that ratings also completely they guys have data. That's the first point. So that 5 years they guys have maintained their data properly. Now what is the thing is, suddenly if the company is not really working well, okay, so company is not running well, okay, just imagine what they'll do is they'll recruit either this business analyst or data analyst. So what is their role is, okay, we are in the core part, guys. So what their role is, first step or the role number one, okay, the first step or step number one, they'll be collecting the whole complete 5 years of data. It might be a rating data, it might be customer visit data, it might be billing data. So the first role is to collect as much data they can. That is what the first job they'll do. Okay, so they should do. So they'll be collecting the whole complete 5 years of data, and they'll be organizing the data, because some data might be in CSV file, some data might be in Excel file, some might be data in notepad file. So it might be in different format. They'll be organizing, and also the data might be kept in pen drive, that data might be kept in hard disk, that data might be kept in Google Drive or any server or whatever. Okay, AWS server or what, Google Drive or whatever. So OneDrive or Dropbox, whatever. So what is the first job? Okay, just give your responses in the live chat. Data acquisition. They'll be collecting the whole complete 5 years of data. That is what the first step. And the second step, they'll be organizing. So organizing or transforming into a universal format. That is what the data transformation. Okay. And third step, they'll be doing data cleaning. So some of the data might not be necessary, and some data have some missing value. So that is going to be cleaned out to get a proper clean data. That is what the data cleaning. That is what the third step. And what's the fourth step they'll be doing is, they'll be doing a data visualization. So what does mean by data visualization? If you are just seeing the data in terms of numbers, you can't able to make any decision. But if you are just observing as like a dashboard, as a graphs, and then as the charts, you can able to get the better results. So that is what the role of data analyst or business analyst. So while talking about the difference between data analyst and business analyst is, business analyst will go very in depth on the business. They'll be understanding whole complete business. They'll be having a conversation with the like manager or founder, whatever. So they'll be going very in depth on the business, but data analyst will be sticking out with the data itself. Okay, guys, are you all clear? Okay, so as you are a data analyst or business analyst, you will analyze the past data. That is the very important thing. So you'll be analyzing the complete past data, and from that you'll be making a decision. So just matching with an example, what kind of decision is? Decision number one. First, how many number of visitors, how many number of transaction has been made on each and every day basis. Today, how many transaction? By just observing the dashboard, we can able to make the decision. So how many number of transactions? So transaction is being reduced. If the transactions are equal, and even though we are not having enough cash flow, which is nothing but we need to focus on profit column, because even though the customers acquisition or customer visiting to our restaurant were equal, but we don't have money to spend, there is no profit. So the people started looking out the profit column. So based on the data, they'll be doing this kind of analysis, and they'll be analyzing the marketing or the age group. So before there were a lot of youngsters who came, but nowadays youngsters are not coming into this restaurant. So what are all the reason? Is the location is the reason, or shall we do some creative activities to improve our visitors, youngsters especially? So likewise, that each and every decisions, before the dosas rating were very good, but now dosas rating were very poor. So what is the reason? Did we change any chef in between? Is that affected that? So we should not make emotional decision. It should be based on the data. Okay, so this is what is all about. I hope you are clear with this, right? So as a data analyst, as a business analyst, they'll be analyzing the whole complete past data, and they'll be making a decisions based on that. So as a business analyst, you'll be giving a lot of suggestions. We should, our visitors for this restaurant were very less when compared to previously. But now we should do some marketing. We can promote to influencer, or we can call some food bloggers, so that it will be promoted. So visitors will be coming in. But before that, we'll be checking out each and every food's rating were good. So if it is not, change the chef to change the taste of the dishes. So likewise, each and every decision is going to be made by the data, that data analysis which you are going to do, so that you're going to be called as data analyst or business analyst. Okay, so guys, I hope you really love this story to understand this data analyst and business analyst story. So if you really love this, you just post it's amazing Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, you're gonna be doing the whole complete past data analysis, and you'll be helping them to make a decision based on that. So you are called as data analyst. If you are going very in depth on the business, to understand about the business, to understand about the market and those stuff, you'll be called as a business analyst. So this is what the role. Okay, so I hope you really love this. You just give your responses in the live chat. Okay, so I hope you guys have got an idea what the data analysts are doing. So data analysts are helping the business to grow. They'll be analyzing, they'll be doing customer analysis, they'll be doing profit and loss analysis, they'll be doing sales analysis, they'll be doing spend analysis. So each and every part there need to be analysis. So that analysis is going to be done with the help of these data analysts and these business analysts. Now you guys have got an idea. So if it is amazing, you just post it's amazing Sanjay in your live chat. So Marim Balaji, thank you so much, sir, for posting that. Yeah. Now the second part, you'll be asking me the second question, which was Sanjay, then what is the role of data scientist? What they are doing, why they are getting more salary might be. What they'll do is, apart from the past data analysis, they'll also predict the future done. Okay, so future data. So that is what the role of data scientist, where they'll be going completely in depth on machine learning, deep learning to predict the upcoming part, upcoming sales, upcoming profit, or anomaly detection. For an example, if you are seeing Amazon graph, okay, you guys tell me where on which month the graph will be like that and why. You just give your responses in the live chat. Okay, so you just give your responses in the live chat. So whenever you are doing a data visualization of Amazon, graph will be like this, up down, up down, up down. But some of the month the graph will be like peak, and peak. So you just tell me why. Okay, because each and whenever they are just projecting some offers, so it might be like Pongal sale, it might be offer like Diwali, or it might be a Christmas, it might be Ramzan, whatever. So on that month, the sales will be gone high. So this is actually normal. It's not anomaly. But if it in a normal day, if the sale were gone like that, that is abnormal. In the festive day, if the sales were as like a normal, it is anomaly. So likewise, data scientists will go in depth on the data to predict the future by analyzing the whole complete past data. Yes, big billion sales. Exactly, Mohammed. Yes, that's amazing. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys have got an output, right? So this is what the role of data scientist. I hope you guys have got an idea. Okay, if you really love this part, guys, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so data analyst and business analyst or data analyst will be sticking out with the past data analysis. But the data machine learning engineer or data scientist will be going very in depth on the data, and they'll be doing a future prediction. So like they'll be working from start to date, like data acquisition, data transformation, data cleaning, data visualization, future prediction by using any machine learning or deep learning technique. And finally, if there is some visual graphs needed to be done, that is also going to be done. So this is what it's all about. Okay, so I hope you really love this, guys. If you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. So that is what the role of data scientist. I hope you guys have got a very, very, very clear idea. And also there are data architect is there. So, and big data engineer is there. Whenever the data were very huge, and whenever like some job is needed to be done only with the data, before going further to other data visualization process and those stuff, big data engineer is also going to be helpful to analyze the whole very large amount of databases. So that is what the role. I hope you guys have got an idea. So I hope it feels really happy and satisfied. If you all satisfied, you just post I'm satisfied Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, now let us understand that AI, because you guys have already learned that. So it is going to learn from the data and it is going to solve some problem. So data AI engineer, you guys have already know. So what is the AI is? It is going to learn from the data. It is going to solve some certain problem. So as a human being, we need to transfer our knowledge or our experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. For an example, so as I've already told you, it's not about programming knowledge. It's not about computer knowledge. Or it's like for an example, as a general knowledge. For an example, if you are just looking out this mobile phone, so you'll be suddenly telling that you'll be telling that this is a mobile phone by just observing the picture or by observing the features like color and structure. For an example, if you're going to give Nokia kind of keypad mobile phones to a baby who just born and who just used to play games in their iPads, they'll simply throw away, right? So I hope you'll agree to that. If you all agree to this, you just post I agree Sanjay in your live chat. Yes. So that kind of keypad mobile phones, if you are giving it to that baby will throw away. Because they don't love features, they don't love that look, and they won't tell that is even a mobile phone because they guys haven't used it. But us, we guys have lived without mobile phones. We guys are using keypad mobile phones and touchscreen mobile phones. Now we are using complete infinity display mobile phones, right? So as a human being, we used to transfer this knowledge even. So it might be a vision based knowledge. It might be a taste based knowledge. It might be a language based knowledge in the format of data. And by using the concepts such as machine learning or deep learning, computer vision and NLP, it is going to learn and it is going to solve that problem. Okay, so I hope you are clear. So if you are clear, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in your live chat. Now let us compare with the human being, guys. Now you guys tell me, just imagine a scenario. You are super hungry and you really wanted to eat something, but if your neighborhood is cooking something delicious, what is gonna be your emotion? You just give your responses in the live chat, guys. Okay, so what is gonna be your emotion? You just give your emotion in terms of emojis in the live chat. Okay, if person is cooking something delicious like your favorite food like biryani or some sweets or whatever, you just tell me what is gonna be your emotion. Why I'm telling that is, as a human being, we have that ability to analyze. Like it might be smell, it might be taste, it might be vision. So you have analyzing ability, identifying a pattern. So identifying a pattern in the sense, identifying the smell between the biryani smell and the unwashed sock smell, right? So that is what the second thing. And we have the third one, which is like making a decision, right? As a human being, we have analyzing ability, identifying a pattern in it and making a decision, this ability. So if you want to transfer this ability to a machine or to a computer, you can able to transfer with the help of machine learning and deep learning. Are you clear? Whenever there is a task to predict something or to identify something or to classify something based on the existing data, based on the learning with the help of past data, then that is said to be that on that time we need a concept such as machine learning and deep learning. Are you clear? Okay, so guys, do you really enjoy? Thank you so much, guys. It's really funny. A lot of people are posting funny emojis. And second thing human can do is human can listen and speak. And also first thing, for an example, if you are sitting inside room, so if you are feeling some chillness, you will be telling, okay, it is raining outside. So for as a human being, we have sensory organs. So for robot, what we can do, we can put up some sensors, right? Like moisture sensor, yeah, humidity measuring sensor. So likewise, we can able to put up the sensors. So from the sensor, we'll be getting output like numbers. So that can be done with the help of course, by using machine learning or deep learning. So second ability is human can listen and speak. For an example, you guys tell me if we both want to have a mutual communication. So what is the common thing which we need? Just give your responses in the live chat. Because whenever some data have some interface of language, okay, so there is some language in it, then the concept will be using is natural language processing. So additionally, machine learning or deep learning is going to be there, because as I've already told you, so that even though it is a language, it need to have analyzing, identifying a pattern and making a decision. So machine learning and deep learning is going to be default. But other than that, this NLP is going to be necessary. Okay, whenever the language has been there, then we need a NLP concept. Okay, yes, as you people have told, language is the common thing. Yes, it's necessary, guys. The third thing, human can see and recognize. Whenever you are just seeing, you will be telling this is a mobile phone, because you guys have shown out wide varieties of mobile phones. Even if I'm showing like this, you will be telling this is a water bottle, because you guys have watched, you guys have used lot wide varieties of water bottle. You'll be knowing the new structure, the overall structure of water bottle. So you have that ability. So if you want to transfer this efficient based ability to a robot, you need a concept such as computer vision, and with the deep learning, this is a very major thing. Okay, so guys, just I'll be giving you the quick recap. So please be your 100% attendance. Okay, so number one, while talking about AI, as a human being, we need to transfer our knowledge or our experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act to solve some certain problem. That's what the first point. Okay, now as a human being, we have analyzing, identifying a pattern and making a decision ability. So if this is the ability you want to give to the machine, you can give or you can feed this with the help of machine learning or deep learning, ML or DL. Now, if your data is having language, then with the ML or DL, you need to have NLP, natural language processing concept. And third one, human can see and recognize whatever object which you are seeing, and you are recognizing something, right? So if that is the scenario, that can be done with the help of computer vision and deep learning. Okay, so very importantly, it will be using computer vision. Are you clear? Okay, so if you guys have got super insight from this today's session or up to this session, you just post super amazing Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so I hope you all really enjoying this. Okay, so we guys have got to know about what is AI. Now we guys haven't covered about what is the machine learning and deep learning difference. Let us keep us like it is. So AI, I hope you understood. First of all, you guys have understood about the hierarchy. Then you understood about AI, and then you understand about the hierarchy, or then you understood about data analytics, and then data science and business analytics. These stuffs you guys have gone through, and also you guys have got an idea about what is computer vision and what is NLP. Okay, so I hope you guys all super happy up to now. So if you are super happy and super amazing, so if you are just feeling that, you just post super amazing Sanjay and super happy Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, just give your responses in the live chat. Okay, so yes. That's great. That's great. Okay, so please wait until the end, because we are gonna be having like great thing out there, because we are going to be creating a chatbot, and we are going to be exploring tons and tons of prods. Okay, so yeah, so first of all, let us cover up some steps. For an example, if you are going to start building up some AI project, so what are all the mandatory steps? Number one, you will be collecting data. For an example, if your project like your AI robot want to identify mobile phone and water bottle, then you will be collecting the images of mobile phone and images of water bottle. That's your first task. And second task, which is like data preparation. It might be data transformation, it might be data cleaning, whatever. So you need to prepare the data or pre-process the data. And third thing, you will be choosing a model. So now I'll be asking you one question, guys. Now I have a problem with my data. The problem in my company is, I want to predict whether the customer is coming in to get the quotation. I want to predict based on that customer's data, like his salary and his age. I want to tell, like whether I want to, like whether the person buy the product or not. Will I choose, my question, please clearly understand about the question. My question is, will I use machine learning or deep learning? Or will I use natural language processing? Or will I use computer vision? This is what my question. So let us see who is going to give like amazing question. Okay, just give your responses in the live chat. You want to predict whether the customer will buy the product or not? Will you choose NLP? Will you choose computer vision, or will you choose machine learning or deep learning? Give your responses in the live chat. So if you can able to answer it correctly, it is mean that you are super amazing and you are super clear with the concept. Yes. As people have started giving their responses, Jar Shaiju and Edific TV, right? So machine learning. Yes, that's amazing, guys. ML or DL. That's amazing, guys. Please give applause emojis in the live chat, guys, because it's really a great thing where people have given that amazing questions, like amazing responses in the live chat. Please give applause emojis in the live chat, guys, for each and every people who have given the right answer. I can't able to see even single wrong answers. I felt really like, what is it? Really happy, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. It's really lovely batch. I think so. Yeah. So we'll be choosing concept and algorithm for that. And we'll be training that data. And we'll be evaluating in the sense to see what is the performance of the model. And we will be tune some of the parameter to improve the accuracy or performance, accuracy or loss, whatever. And finally, we'll be deploying the project. So this is what the 7th step. We'll be collecting the data. We'll be doing a data preparation. It might be a pre-processing. It might be a cleaning. It might be a transformation, whatever. And we'll be choosing what kind of concept we are going to choose and what kind of data we have and what kind of algorithm. So that is needed to be done in the 3rd step. And we're going to be training it. And then we are going to be evaluating it to know what is the accuracy of the model, what is the loss of the model. So likewise, we are going to evaluate it. And finally, we are going to tune some of the parameter to get better performance. And finally, we are going to do the predictions. Okay, so I hope you are clear. So if you are super clear, you just post "I'm super clear, Sanjay" in your live chat. So now let us go with this data science flow. I hope you already understood what is this data analytics and machine learning and deep learning. So these are all the stuff I think you guys have already got an idea about it, right? So before proceeding further, let me cover up you something. Job roles. Sanjay, will I have job opportunities out there? Definitely you have, because whenever some certain company is having data, that will definitely you're gonna have the job on it. Okay, so while talking about the job roles, you can choose whatever you really want. You can become machine learning engineer, or you can become computer vision and deep learning engineer, or you can become what is it, like what is it, you can become a data analyst, you can become a data scientist or whatever. Okay, for an example, for computer vision and deep learning engineer, let me show you something like it will be super amazing. Okay, so let me show you a video. Okay, so where it is gonna be showing you the output of the Tesla autonomous vehicle, how it really working. Okay, so it'll be great. I think you'll be really loving this. Okay, just watch this video, guys. Okay, just watch this video where the vehicle is driving and it can able to identify the traffic lights. You just see here green light has been detected, and whenever it is turning, you just see here lane detection has been done, and the nearby vehicle is also been detected, and you can able to see like stop signs were detected. So you just see here stop signs has been detected. So likewise, if your project or if your application, if you really wanted to work on this image based application, it is not only about autonomous vehicle. It might be a disease detection from the image, it might be medical image analysis, it might be a satellite image analysis, whatever. So but if you wanted to work on images, you can only become computer vision and deep learning engineer. That is opportunity. Okay, so guys, how you guys have felt by seeing this video? If you really loving this, you just post I am very happy to being here, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so yeah, so likewise, if you really interested in working on images, you can become deep learning or computer vision engineer. That is what the one part. Okay, so that's what one of the opportunity. And second opportunity, there where we can become NLP engineer, so natural language processing. For an example, there is some disorder, there is some disease, which is ALS, which is nothing but amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. That is a kind of disease where people used to get paralyzed. While talking about a paralysis, people can't able to talk properly. For an example, if they want to pronounce this, they'll be talking like, okay, so they can't able to move their lips. Okay, I think you can't able to hear me properly, right? Clarity about studies. They can't able to move their lip and they can't able to move their tongue properly. That's really bad, right? They can't able to talk properly. Like clarity about studies, data analysis, machine learning. It might look funny, but they can't able to talk properly. Their pronunciation is gonna be like this. So what you can do is, even Google and a lot of biggest company are working on it to analyze how the ALS patient used to talk or used to pronounce each and every word, how they'll pronounce food, how they'll pronounce restroom, how they'll pronounce water. So likewise, they'll be doing a lot of language based analysis to create application. Whenever, if you are keeping that application in front of that ALS patient, if they are telling clarity about studies, if they are telling like this, it will be recognized properly and your application will tell that clarity about studies, right? So that is kind of natural language processing application. So you can become that engineer as well. So likewise, you will be having a lot of opportunities on the jobs. You can become data analytics, data analyst, or you can become data scientist. You can become machine learning engineer. You can become computer vision and deep learning engineer. You can become like NLP engineer and etc. Okay, so there are a lot of roles. Okay, it might be like cybersecurity analyst or cloud architect or customer analyst or data scientist, statistician, data architect, and etc. 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 There are a lot of job roles which is gonna be out there. And you may have another doubt, Sanjay, I want to master it. I want to become the complete end road data scientist. What are all the skills I need to get? First of all, initially they won't require directly data scientist. So initially you should become data analyst. Then you can able to switch over. But while talking about the data scientist, how many of you people really wanted to know, Sanjay, what is the roadmap to become data scientist? Okay, so thank you so much, Abology Ibrahim, for posting. I'm very happy here, Sanjay. That's amazing, guys. Okay, so first of all, while talking about this data scientist, the first skill which you want to master is Excel. So while talking about an Excel, so yes, so Excel is not the tool which we guys have covered previously. Like we in our school days we used to do Excel. That's not a tool, because with the help of Excel you can be able to do data acquisition, data transformation, data cleaning, data visualization, and automation, and etc. So Excel is the first skill you need to master. And statistics. So I hope you all remember mean, median, standard deviation, and those stuff which you guys have used to study on school days. You just post, I remember Sanjay in your live chat. So that is what the statistical skill which you need to get. Okay, that's what the second thing. And third thing, while talking about programming, you can choose different programming languages. You can choose Python, you can choose R, but don't constrain yourself like, because a lot of people are telling like, you want to, no, first of all, C programming, then only you can choose Python programming. Don't do like that, or don't think like that. You can also straightly move on to the Python. You can master it. Don't worry. Don't listen to that people. Okay. So they are just restricting you to, losing your confidence on C language itself. But while studying Python programming, you'll be feeling very easy and user friendly. So Python programming is suggestible. Directly go for the Python. Don't worry about it. So how many of you guys are experiencing this problem? If you all are experiencing this, you just post yes, Sanjay, in your live chat. And fourth point, data visualization skills, how you are just representing your data. And fifth skills like NumPy and Panda skills. And then NumPy and Panda skills, which is library, Python library, which is going to be helping for processing the data and those stuff. And business intelligence tool, which is more popular because the people who are completely mastered Excel, they are also became data analyst. The people who completely mastered Power BI, they can also become data analysts. So BI tools, which is highly necessary, Power BI or Tableau, which is more popular BI tools. And then we have databases like especially SQL. While talking about that, databases MySQL and MongoDB. And while talking about the eighth skill, which is machine learning. But nowadays, previously they won't ask for the deep learning, but nowadays they are also asking deep learning. So please guys, I hope you all having your mobile phones. If you are having a mobile phone, take a snap of it. Else put a screenshot. Okay, so this is the roadmap to become a data scientist. You will be working from start to end. Okay, so these are all the tools which you need to master to become that. Okay, so Excel, statistics, programming, data visualization, NumPy and Pandas, BI tools, database, machine learning, or deep learning, and etc. Okay, so I hope you really love this. If you really wanted to get this, you just post I wanted Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, do you want to master these complete stuffs? So if you really want to master this complete stuff in a easy way, because we clearly understood the problem of the people who wanted to learn, because sometimes or some institution they'll be telling you need to master Python, or you need to master programming, then only you can able to, then only you are eligible to make or to become AI engineer. But on the time, to be frank, lot of people are losing their confidence, because whenever someone is telling you should master programming, then only you should choose AI, else don't choose AI and go somewhere else. If someone is telling like that, what is the student's first mentality is, they'll be going for the flashback of their school days and of their like college days, when they guys have used to study programming, where they guys have got they guys have hated that programming because of how the programming is being taught to the students, how it has been like encouraged to start the programming journey, how it was difficult. Because whenever we are thinking about the programming, the first thing we are thinking about is classes, inheritance, object, polymorphism, where the programming looks like nearly around 40 lines or 50 lines of program. So how many of you people are really agreeing to this? If you all agreeing to this, you just post agree Sanjay in your live chat. So that flashback will coming into the people, will be telling, like they'll be making a decision, okay, this is not suitable for me. But they can just try, they just have a try at least again, because that's not a same old guy you are, because you might have improved in a lot of stuff, you might have improved on these stuffs also. Okay, so even though recently even though the person don't know Python programming, he even built the complete one application itself with the help of internet. So it's not that. Okay, so we'll be judging this part by analyzing our flashbacks. So don't constrain yourself. Don't think we should master C language, then only we can choose a Python. No, don't think like that. So that's why, even though you were choosing Python, so people used to tell you should master completely Python first. If you are getting 100 scores on every test which I'm conducting, then only you can choose AI. No, don't go on that way, on that journey, because that might lead to some loss in your confidence. You might lose your confidence, because that is not an approach which is user friendly, which is easy, not. Okay, so we should be on the journey where we'll be learning based on the technology or based on the methodology which we are providing. Okay, yes, a lot of people are posting yes, I want Sanjay, thank you so much, it's amazing. So for you people, I'll be listing down some of the pain points where people are feeling some problems. If you all agreeing to this, you just post agree Sanjay in your live chat. The first problem for the learners is the price. Because even though I've studied Excel masterclass by paying around 20 plus 25, so around 25,000. Okay, so price is the first thing where the people have the pain in their heart, right? So price is the first pain point. If you all agreeing to this for each and every point, you just post agree for each and every point. That's what the first pain point people have. And the second point people have is lack of confidence. So now I just talk about this confidence, right? So that awareness people are not having, because even though I felt really worried, the expert told something like this, that will create the very deep impact that AI is not for me. AI is only for the person who born programmer. Okay, so you should be aware of listening to that kind of conversation. So confidence is also a very mandatory thing. Okay, we used to have a lack of confidence, and I don't know about programming, can I master it? Yes, you can. Okay, what are all the ages, what age you are, no worries. Okay, so lack of confidence is also one of the pain points. So if you all agree to this, please post agree. And third point, earning. Will I get higher salary? Is it having a future scope? So will I get higher earning? Will I get more salary from it? That's what the third pain points. And fourth, vacancy. Is it a future related job? Yes, it's not even a future, it's also a current, because it's currently nowadays people are earning with the help of data science. It's not happened before 2 to 3 years, right? But now it's happening. So vacancy is also a very important thing. And trust. Are we learning from the newly created company? Or yes, it is also good, but or we are learning from the person who can I trust, right? So that's what the people are also having. And hesitation, like people are not having that mindset to master that, and they'll be lacking themselves by simply telling their own reasons. I don't have money, I don't have time, I don't have these, I don't have that, I don't. So hesitation. So these are all the pain for learners, right? So if you all agree to this, you just post agree Sanjay in a live chat. And also we are providing the solutions. While talking about the solutions, how about very less price of the quality courses? While talking about the confidence, how about learning mindset to achieve whatever you really want? While talking about the earning, how about high paying job? While talking about a vacancy, how about in demand job? While talking about the trust, how about learning from the product based company who is crossing its 18 years? And while talking about the hesitation, how about transparent environment with enthusiastic community? Because whenever you are learning inside a community, you'll be learning much faster. Because whenever a lot of people used to do group studies or group discussion, they'll be mastering a lot more stuffs, right? So I hope you all really excited to know about it. If you are really excited to know about it, you just post I agree Sanjay or I'm excited Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so let me reveal one thing. What is the thing is, we are also providing an internship program, which is a machine learning internship program, where we'll be providing you the 3 days of recording. For an example, if you are visiting this portal, so learn.pantech.net, so once you have, so if you are registering for this internship, we are also providing this machine learning internship, because there is a difference between YouTube webinar versus the internship which we are providing. So I'll be telling you that later on, because in a YouTube 30 days is going to be there, but it's going to be conducted in YouTube. The video will be deleted after a certain period of 1 day or 2 day, I think so. That's the number one point. And second point, you can't able to get the complete attachments of the whole complete series or session, but you can able to get it from the internship, because each and every section we have attachment section. You can able to download those zip files. You can able to see 3 days of recorded video lectures. You can able to see where each and every day is like introduction to AI. So likewise, each and every day recording is going to be there. So nearly 3 days of video recordings. With that, you are going to get PowerPoint representation, mind map, source code, data set, trained model file, and each and everything. Okay, so which includes everything like PowerPoint presentation, mind map, source code, data set, PDF, trained model files, everything you are going to get. And also you'll be getting this private community access, where we used to conduct some events. So the events such as, like for an example, AI bootcamp, getting started with MATLAB, you just see here, and how to make passive income. So how many people are really interested in to make multiple sources of income? So if you are interested, you just post I'm interested Sanjay in your live chat. So likewise, we used to conduct a lot of event on technical, on AI and embedded, and also like digital marketing or passive income or entrepreneurship or soft skills or mindset. So likewise, we used to conduct some events. You can able to attend this event by joining in this community. You'll be getting the access for that community. And also you'll be getting e-certificate. So e-internship certificate for the machine learning. So with the lifetime validity. Okay, so this is what the internship. So if you all interested in this internship, you just post I'm interested Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. Okay, so this is what the internship which we used to provide. So in this internship, the machine learning internship which we used to provide at the rupees of 999, and for the yearly sale, yearly bird offer, I think a lot of people have already registered this machine learning internship at the rupees of 750. So if you all interested in this internship, guys, if you are interested in this internship, you just post I'm interested Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so while talking about this, and also we have another course which is AI internship, which we are also having this as a 3 days, because while talking about the machine learning internship, which is completely focused onto the machine learning, right? Like machine learning in the sense supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. But while talking about AI internship, which is based on Python programming, chatbot creation, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning. You just see under the computer vision, face recognition, face emotion recognition. Likewise, a lot of projects which is going to be there. Under the deep learning, there are a lot of projects like real-time object recognition, image classification, hand gesture recognition, leaf disease detection, character recognition, label reading, attendance system. So likewise, we are going to have these much of projects under these 30 days. This is also a 30 days internship. Okay. So, and also we have, which is AI internship, which we are also providing at the price of 999. And also we have data analytics internship. That's also amazing internship because the roadmap which we guys have shown, right? The roadmap is Sanjay, like we guys have shown the roadmap like Excel, database, statistics, BI tools, MySQL and MongoDB kind of database skills. Likewise, we are also providing this based on that curriculum. So this data analytics internship is also being created, which is also a 3 days internship. So this internship also we are providing at the price of 999 rupees. So individual like AI, which is 999, and data analytics, which is 999, machine learning is 999, and also we have deep learning internship. So which is also we are providing at the price of 999. You just see here, this is also a 30 days internship. For an example, while talking about deep learning, so which is like face mask detection or like social distancing detection. So it is completely going into this deep learning concept. So likewise, this is also a 3 days internship which we are providing. And also we have Python internship, because once you have crossed over the 3 cores, AI, machine learning and data analytics, you'll be getting a confidence enough to go in depth on the Python. So now that dedicatedly we guys have made it the Python course, which we can go through towards the Python. So guys, I hope you all interested in this. If you all interested in this, you just post I'm interested, Sanjay, in your live chat. So what is the another very important announcement today is, this is what an amazing and which is unexpected offer which we are providing today is, the people only who are all staying till the end up to this point, those people are going to get the 5-in-1 combo, which is like Python, machine learning, AI masterclass, data analytics masterclass, and deep learning. So likewise, the 5 courses. Okay, so this is the 3 days course, this is the 3 days course, and this is the 3 days course, this is the 3 days course, and Python is 10 days course totally, which is around 5 courses. I hope you really wanted to know the price of this 5 courses. How many of you people are really excited? If you're really excited to know about it, you just post I'm excited, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so are you interested? So what you are going to get? So once you are registering for this 5-in-1 combo, you are going to get this 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So totally 5 courses you are going to get at the price. Okay, so I'm going to be revealing the price. How many people are really excited to know? If you are excited to know, you just post I'm excited, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so AI course, machine learning course, data analytics course, deep learning course, and Python course. Each and every course, which is a 3 days course, where you'll be building more than 100 plus projects. So you just think about your portfolio. It is going to be filled with business intelligence tools. It is going to be filled with databases. It is going to be filled with machine learning project. It is going to be filled with deep learning projects. It's going to be filled with NLP projects. It's going to be filled with chatbots. It is going to be filled with and like Python related projects, and it is going to be filled with a lot of deep learning projects, which includes frameworks such as TensorFlow, Caffe, PyTorch, MXNet, and etc. And you'll be working with in the deep learning like by using a pre-trained model, by using like transfer learning, by using building a neural network from the scratch. And while talking about the machine learning, you have a project under supervised learning classification, and you have a project under supervised learning regression, and you have you have projects under the category of unsupervised learning, and you have a project under the category of reinforcement learning like AI snake game design. I hope you guys have played your snake game in your school days, but how can I make AI to play that game? So likewise, these kind of tons and tons of projects under these categories, such as like Python programming, chatbot, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, Excel, statistics, BI tools like both the Power BI and Tableau, and databases like MySQL and MongoDB, and like NLP. So likewise, under this whole complete category, we have this 5-in-1 course providing like 5 whole bundle. I think a lot of people are really waiting for this. So if you are really waiting, yes, Sanjay, yes, that's amazing. Yes, so this complete bundle only for 1 hour, we are going to be providing at the price of same 999. I hope you really love this offer, because we used to provide the single course at the price of 999. For an example, if you really wanted to check that out, you can able to check from our official website, Pantech Solutions, and go to the courses and check out each and every of our courses. So one course is inclusive of taxes, which is in the price of 1,499. Okay, whatever the course which you are going, you just see here. So each and every course which is around 1,400 machine learning. So if you are going here, 1,499. So whatever the courses if you are going here, so that each and every courses which is going to be around 999 or 1,499. So likewise, every course is on this price, but only for the people who are all here. We are providing this 5-in-1 combo at the price of 999. Only this offer is going to be available only this 30 minute. Okay, so only this 30 minute. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is, yes, so this is going to be available only for this 30 minutes. Okay, let me start out the countdown. Okay, yes, I started the countdown, guys. Okay, so okay, yeah, 30-minute countdown has been started because this 5-in-1 combo offer has been launched before a lot more. Like it's not even like it's very much bigger offer. So now we are providing only for the people who really here. And another very important thing, the people who already paid, the people who already registered single course at the price of 750, you will be getting a remaining amount payment link so that you can use the link to pay additional rupees to get this 5-in-1 combo. You can upgrade from your 750 to 999. Okay, so the link which is given in the live chat, so you just use the link, and if you are registered, if you are into this journey, you just post I am in Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so the link which is given in the live chat, you just click that link and register before this offer ends. Okay, so I hope you guys have got this. Okay, 29 minutes left. Okay, you just grab this offer before it ends. Okay, so let us continue the session. Okay, so first of all, while talking about these parts, so we guys have already discussed about these roadmaps and those stuff, right? Now, let us go little in depth on chatbot creation. Okay, because machine learning, I'm gonna be like expanding for the upcoming session, or tomorrow or day after tomorrow we'll be covering up, because from tomorrow I think, day after tomorrow I think. So from day after tomorrow we are gonna be starting working with project, but tomorrow it is gonna be completely hands-on. Not like today, because tomorrow it is gonna be completely hands-on. Okay, please be excited for it. And let us create a chatbot. Are you guys all excited to create a chatbot? If you are excited, you just post I'm excited Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, are you guys all excited? Yes, a lot of people are posting I am in. That's amazing, guys. Okay, so that's great, guys. That's great. Okay, so a lot of people are posting I'm in. That's amazing, guys. Register as soon as possible before the offer ends, because I'm gonna be deleting this, or I'm gonna be deactivating this link once this time is gone. Okay, so the people who are all interested, registered as soon. So 5-in-1 combo offer for lifetime validity you are going to get. So register the link which is given in the live chat, guys. Okay, excited, guys. If you are really excited, what you just do is you just visit the link which is shown in this part. Okay, where you'll be learning, you're gonna be creating a chatbot. So please be excited and ready to go for it. Okay. Okay, so guys, if you guys have got this page, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so how to pay 750 plus 150? You have already paid 750, means you will be getting upgradation link, so that by using the link you can upgrade yourself to for this 5-in-1 combo. Okay, so I'll be giving the link in the live chat, guys. Okay, so directflow.cloud.google.com. This is the link where you'll be getting this page. We are going to start creating a chatbot without even knowing what is meant by programming. Okay. Okay, so guys, you just give your responses in the live chat. If you guys have got this page, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. So Kandraj Gauda posted paid, bro. That's amazing. Okay, it's really great, guys. Okay, the people who are all from other countries, you can use this link as well. If you can't able to pay, definitely they'll be sending you another alternative international link to make a payment from Nigeria or whatever. Okay. Guys, if you guys have got this page, please visit this URL and create your account and sign this page. Okay, get this page, guys. Okay, so paid. That's amazing, guys. So, guys, how many of you people have paid for it? Okay, if you have ready for it, if you have done the payment, if you join this 5-in-1 combo, you just post I joined Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, that's amazing, guys. A lot of people are joining. It's great. It's great. It's great. Okay, so yeah. So while talking about this, I hope you guys have already got a page. Let me show you to create a chatbot. I'm not going to go very in depth because this has been detailedly covered in our AI course. Okay, so what is the thing is, I'm not gonna be going very in detail because if you really want to create a chatbot very in detail, you can join our internship to explore a lot. Because even though you are creating a chatbot, you can able to integrate your chatbot with your Google Assistants and etc. So this is gonna be really a great thing. Okay, so yes. Okay, so first of all, once you have got this page, here we should give some agent name. Okay, so I'm going to give some agent names like Pizza Bot because I'm going to be creating a chatbot to what is it? To order a pizza for my employees or whatever. So I'm just going to create some chatbot. Okay, so that's what it's all about. Okay, so here what is all about is while talking about this this chatbot. First of all, I've just created some agent, right? So pizza bot agent. So that's what my agent name. So once it has been done, now I want to create an intent. So what is my chatbot intent is? For an example, I want to create pizza ordering, like order pizza. Okay, guys, don't think it's running very fast because this is like it will take much time. Like if I want to go step by step, which has been covered on the internship. If you really want that, you can check for the internship, and you can have a huge value out there. Okay, because we have a very short span of time, right? So that's why I'm just going a little bit faster. So we guys have created some order pizza. So now I'm going to add some training phrase like order pizza. Okay, this is what the training phrase I've added, and add action and then parameter. So likewise, you can add a lot more stuffs. So since we don't have enough time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be showing some of the chatbot which I've already created. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, so here we used to add some training phrases, and here in the text responses we can put up like pizza order completed. Okay, so likewise you can add some phrases like this so that you can able to check your chatbot by using the right hand option. For an example, let me type order pizza. So if I'm giving like this, so it is going to be giving me the output like pizza order is completed. Okay, so this is what is all about. And while talking about in detail, if you really want to know about the project, so this is what the another intent which we have created. So same thing, like for an example, you just see here what lot of stuffs which I've added here. Okay, so I've added lot of entities to check it out. For an example, let me check my chatbot. Hello. Okay, if I'm typing hello, it's typing like greetings, how can I assist? Okay, so here also we have an audio output.
Greetings, how can I assist?
So this is what the output we got. Okay, now what we are going to do is let me ask another question like who are you? Okay, so you just see here, I am a pizza bot. I'm Pizzbot. How can I help you? This is what the output we got.
I am Pizzbot.
Okay, this is what the voice output for this. Okay, now for an example, if I'm typing, how old are you? Okay, if I'm typing this, I don't have age because I am robot. Guys, this chatbot is amazing. If this is amazing, you just post that's amazing, Sanjay, in your live chat. So I don't have age because I'm a robot. If I'm asking the same question, like how old are you? Sorry, could you say that again? Okay, so let me ask, how old are you? I don't have a age because I'm a robot. So just like just giving some replies. Okay, that's amazing, right? So if it is amazing, you just post it's amazing, Sanjay, in your live chat. For an example, let us go with some ordering a pizza. So for an example, I'm going to be asking, I am hungry, I need pizza. Okay, so that's what the question. So it's asking, may I know your contact number? So for an example, let me show this chatbot by using web page integration. So let me show you the output on that way so that it will be super awesome. Okay, it's giving some. Okay, so URL is not found. Okay, so okay, let us check it at here itself. For an example, I am same thing. So I'm hungry. I need a pizza. So what is going to tell is, may I know your contact number? It's asking my contact number. Now, if I'm giving some alphabets and enter, it's not going to work. Again, it's going to ask the same question. Can you tell me your mobile number? Okay. So even though if I'm giving some text, it should not work. So that is what the entity which we guys have configured. Now, if I'm giving some phone number and if I'm pressing an enter, it's asking, may I know your email ID? So if it is asking an email ID, if I'm giving some numbers, enter, it won't work. Again, it will tell you like, may I know your email ID? Because that's not a valid email ID format. Now I'm giving some email ID like champ@gmail.com and enter. What is the size of the pizza I need? Okay, so I need some small pizza. So I just entered small. So it's just asking the another question. What type of toppings do you need? Cheese or spicy? Actually, I need spicy. I need spicy toppings for my pizza. I just given spicy and enter. Can you tell me your location address? Let me give some like Chennai. Small spicy pizza booked to your address Chennai and using champ@gmail.com and the phone number. Do you need Coke with it? Okay, yes, I need a Coke. Okay, for an example, let me give yes and enter. Ta-da! So finally we got an output. Thank you for pizza with Coke. Have a nice day. Okay, so guys, is it amazing? Is the chatbot was amazing? If the chatbot was amazing without programming, you just post it's amazing Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so is it amazing, guys? Okay, if it is amazing, you just post it's amazing Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so we guys have created a chatbot, or we guys have created pizza ordering chatbot with the help of this Google's dialect flow without even a programming. So if this was amazing, you just post it's amazing Sanjay in your live chat, because you can able to create this. So this chatbot creation from the scratch, we guys have taught it in the internship. So if you really want that, register for this 5-in-1 combo. This is the right opportunity to grab this internship to feel the value. Okay, so I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Okay, it's amazing Sanjay. That's amazing, guys. That's great. Okay, so before proceeding further, let me have some conversation about programming mind. So how many of you people are really interested to know about it? If you are really interested, you just post I know Sanjay in LI chat, because let me tell you before that, this is going to be very important. This might create a lot of awareness inside you, where how the growth of lot of successful people has been happened. So that's because of the people are having the proper mindset. So that's what I'm really wanted to share with you. So if you are ready to listen, you just post RTL Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, if you are ready to listen. Okay, so if you are ready to listen, you just post RTL Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Are you all ready? Okay, because this mindset is really necessary. Because if you're talking about Sundar Pichai, you just imagine if he is only good at skill set, he'll be an employee forever. But other than that skill set, he is also good at mindset. He is also good at leadership. He is good at decision making. He is good at people managing. So likewise, people as a person, we also need a lot of other additional skills so that we can also become like greater heights, or we can go to that greater heights. Okay, so I hope you guys have got to know what I'm trying to tell. So what I'm really telling to tell is, only skill set is not necessary or not enough for us. Apart from the skill set, we really need a mindset to master those stuff. Okay, so if you are ready to listen, you just post RTL Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so before proceeding further, let me show you something which is like, okay, just see here. This is what the people are started creating these stuffs like payments and those stuff. Okay, you just see here. for the past 648 and 647. So likewise, a lot of people have started doing started registering for the pay this 5-in-1 combo. So you don't want to think like am I the only people have paid or those stuffs. So you just see here, we have given the link, or we are going to be completely transparent to you, just show how many people are really registering for it, because this is a great opportunity to give you that offer where people are just see here. So what is the time, which is 6:49, 6:48, 6:48, 6:48, 6:48, 6:47, 47, 47, 46, 46, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45. You just see here 44, 44, 44. A lot of people used to create that. So don't waste your time and click that 5-in-1 combo which is given in the live chat and register before the offer ends, guys. Okay, only 15 minutes left. Final 15 minutes. If you guys haven't registered, register as soon as possible. Okay, so let us come to this programming mind. The first point which I really wanted to talk or share with you, which is success is the progressive realization of worthy ideal. For an example, for each and every people, success is going to be different. For an example, some people will think like, if I own a house, that is a success. If I got a job in some company, that is a success. Success is going to be different for each and every individual people, but that is needed to be realized. Like it's needed to be progressive realization for each and every minute of your life. You should keep on thinking about what you really want in your life. And while talking about the second point, always think big. Guys, this is going to be a very important thing. Whatever you want in your life, it might be a job, it might be things, it might be whatever else. Always think big. Okay? Don't dream like, if I got a car, that's okay for me, even though it is 4 lakh or even though it is 5 lakh, that's okay for me. Don't constrain yourself. Instead, dream like, I want to own a BMW car anyhow. I want to own Mercedes anyhow. So always try to think big. Okay, whatever you want in your life, it might not only about bike or car, it might be whatever else. Try to always think big. Okay, so I hope you guys have got this point. So now, while talking about this point, people used to tell, Sanjay, what you are telling? I'm getting only 10,000 salary or 15,000 salary. How can I own BMW car? So for that, we'll be revealing another point. Our past is not equal to the future. You might be in different situation. You might be poor. You might be not having enough money to buy a BMW now. But based on your current and past situations or conditions, don't constrain your dream. Okay, whatever the worst situation you are, don't worry about it and always dream big. Okay, so guys, do you really like it? Okay, if you really like this, you just post I like this, Sanjay, in your live chat, guys. Okay, so then the third point, which is, if you are not filling your day with high priority actions, your day will be automatically filled with low priority distractions. Whatever you want in, so once you are waking up on the morning, if you are not knowing what you are going to do on that day, for an example, you are simply there, you are simply waking up and you don't know anything what you are going to do on the day, that day is going to be filled with Instagram reels, YouTube shorts and etc. If you all agree to this, you just post agree Sanjay in your live chat. So if you are not filling your day with high priority actions, your day will be automatically filled with low priority distractions. Okay, so you should be very cautious and you should be very aware about how we are utilizing our time. Okay, so if it is an entertainment, no problem. If you are consuming some data from some sources from like social medias and those stuff, that's okay. But you should be creator more than a consumer. So please keep that point in your mind. And fourth one, we will plan positive thoughts and we will achieve positive results. This is going to be a really important point, guys. Guys, this is going to be very important. Please have your 100% attention to me. Okay, if you all with me, you just post your comments in the live chat. Lot of people used to think like this. So if you are one of the person, you just post, yes, I am Sanjay in your live chat. People used to think like this. Sanjay, I don't have money. I don't have good job. I don't have good skills. I'm not good at programming. I'm not good at communication skills. I don't have rich family. I don't have car. I don't have bike. I don't have own house. I don't have good friends. I don't have very friendly family or motivating family or whatever. For a lot of people used to think like this. If you are one kind of person, you just post, I am Sanjay in your live chat. I'm not telling you that this is not real. I'm not telling that. I'm not going to tell that because that might be real. So that might be really like you are not having enough money, whatever else. But even though you are in this kind of situations, like people used to think I'm not looking good, I'm not looking handsome, I'm not looking smart. So that kind of thoughts it is nature. Okay, don't think I'm the only person. You can able to see a lot of people are posting I am it. So in our circle itself, I'm also like that before. So I'm telling you, even though it is that, don't worry. Just do some minor mind shift. What is the mind shift is like? Let us reframe this phrase is same again in the different way. I need money. I need to make family rich. I want to own a car, rich or BMW car. I want to own a BMW bike or Benz or whatever, Benz or Ducati or whatever. Or I want to own a biggest like house which is worth of 2 crores or whatever. I want to look handsome. I want to have a good job, or I want to have multiple sources of income, 5 sources of income. Even though I'm simply sitting, I'm getting money I wanted to get money in my bank account. I want to I should have very good at skill set. I want to good at communication. All my friends wanted to love me. You just see here what is the shift what we guys have did. This is the phase shift which will give you positive results. So if you are planting positive thoughts, you will be receiving positive results. Okay, so if you really love this, if it is super insightful, you just post it super insightful Sanjay in your live chat, guys. So whatever you are thinking, suddenly if you are thinking like I don't have money, oh god, suddenly by attending this session, because you guys have crossed this 4th point, you should remind that suddenly change the mind. I need money. What I can do, thrive for it. Okay, so is it insightful? You just give your responses in the live chat, guys. So your mind is like a land where you can plant both a poisonous plant as a fruit and also a fruit plant. It's not mean that poisonous plant is going to grow very slow and fruit plant is going to grow very fast. Whatever the thing it has been planted on the land, it is going to grow equally. So as like a land, your brain is going to like that. Mind is going to like that. Whatever the thought which you are planting, you are going to attract that. If you are planting poisonous plant, if you are planting negative thoughts, if you are planting like lot of this kind of negative thoughts, you are going to achieve that successfully. So whenever you are getting some negative thoughts, detect that and find out what is the source and restrict that. If you are really finding out your social media, like whenever you are waking up in the morning, if you are surfing into the social media, and if you are just knowing that someone is visiting other country or other trip, or he just bought some bike or whatever else, don't get demotivated. Like, I can't able to do that, don't do that. So what is the source of this negative thought? The source is the social media. So uninstall it, simple. And try to be positive that I want that. Try for it. Okay, so I hope it is super insightful. Okay, so that's what the 4th point. We will plan positive thoughts so that we will achieve positive results. And 5th point, what we are today is the sum total of our thoughts and action which we have taken previously. Whatever you wanted to do, please be aware, because let us take this live as an best example. When we started gone very good at the session, so there are nearly around 700 people. So out of that 700 people, nearly around 200 people left now, right? It might be without having awareness or whatever, but 200 people left for some other reason. That people left the session, and if they are learning something new, or if they are doing some very important activity which they can't able to avoid, that's okay. But if the person left the session and if they are directly going on to the social media like Instagram or YouTube, and they are seeing like what people are dancing, how people are dancing, how people are making some fun or entertainment, that is the big mistake. Because this 520 people are really great, that these people are here for some other reason and they are aware that I should not leave, so that these people are getting this programming mind session. Some people are staying for the attendance. Let us skip that people. That people are not going to be really here. Okay. So let us skip that person. Other than that, the people are here to know something new, to learn something new, to get aware of something new. You are now aware of this plus positive thoughts. So whenever you are getting striked out by someone negative thoughts, you will be knowing what you are going to receive, that you are going to receive the same problem again. So you will be aware of that and you will be restrict that and you will have a smile and try to think differently, like I want to convert that into a positive mindset. Okay. So guys, I hope you're really loving this. If you're really loving this, you just post, I'm happy Sanjay in your lecture, guys. And sixth point, you become what you think all day long. From the morning to the night, what you are thinking. Are you thinking about the problems? Are you thinking about your disability when comparing with others? Are you thinking about you don't have money? Definitely you will be achieving that again. So be aware of it. Think about what you really want and don't think what you really don't want. The focus on this quote, guys. Okay. Focus on what you really want. Don't focus on what you really don't want. Okay. If you don't have money, don't focus on you don't have money. Focus on I want a money. How can I want that? Okay. Try to be changing your thoughts on this way. And seventh point, we see good in people, people see good in us. This is happening in every places. You might be a person like your classes or school or whatever. People used to complain others. He is like that. He is like that. His behavior is like that. He is like that. He is very worst. He is cheat. Stop this. Okay. So if someone is doing some harm to society or harm to another person, as a person, you can want them. You can go and fight with them with the guts and everything. You can do that. That's going to be different. But I'm talking about people used to blame one person to another person again and again. He's like that. He's like that. He's like that. Don't blame others. We see good in people. People see good in us. So if you want to change your environment, change yourself first. Okay. Don't try to complain others always. Don't try to blame others to other friends. Have you noticed that he is like that? Don't do that. Okay. So we see people good in people so that people see good in us. And eighth point, don't do the same thing and expect different results. For an example, if you are a kind of person who wanted to start make reading as a habit, so how many of you people are getting asleep? If you all people getting asleep whenever you are reading a book, you just post I am Sanjay in your live chat, because you are expecting different result that you want to make reading as a habit for you, but without changing the methodology. Like you are taking the same book again and again. Don't do that. For an example, always people to take as initial stages, people used to take a book which world is suggesting. World is suggesting like the most popular books like Think and Grow Rich or Power of Subconscious Mind. So people used to take that kind of book which is a little bit bulky, where they'll be taking that. Definitely they'll get sleep without any doubt. So if you are getting same results, if you are doing something, try to do different things so that you can able to expect different results. This book is one of the reason. Okay, sorry, one of the example. Okay, for an example, if you want to make a book reading as a habit, but if you are taking some book, you are getting asleep again and again, try to read different book which you really love. So that is one of the methodology. So it is going to be suitable for every other aspect. That is what the 8th point. And 9th point, focus is the most valuable asset than a time. Yes, a lot of people used to tell like time is the most valuable asset than an asset, but focus is going to be most valuable asset, because whatever the stuff which you are doing, for an example, if I'm going to do some productivity task, if I'm going to create my own website, or if I want to start my company or whatever, so I want to do some productivity task, suddenly this time hunger will coming on. It will pop up the notification. Sanjay, your friend tagged you. Suddenly what we'll do, we'll take up the mobile phone and see who tagged me. Put up a like, writing up a comment, and put a lock and keep like this and coming into the work. And again another. So it's not a time. It's about how much focused you are. So whatever the productivity task which you wanted to do, please at least throw away your mobile phone. Okay, so that's what the very important point. And 11th point, start writing your goals daily and visualize it daily. This is the very important thing which has been suggested by a lot of people, even though my one of the mentor, Grant Gordon, you can able to check it out, his Instagram profile, where in his Instagram, I think, like he is super rich. He is having private jet. He is having helicopter. He is super rich. Okay. Do you know one thing? In his post, you're scrolling, behind him, there is his helicopter. Do you know what the description he wrote in that Instagram post? He wrote like this: I have been writing that I own a helicopter for more than 30 years. Finally, I owned it. This is what he wrote in that description. I'm repeating that again. I have been writing that I own a helicopter for more than 30 years. Finally, I owned it. This is what the quote he wrote in the description. Guys, final 3 minutes left to register for the 5-in-1 internship combo. So grab this offer before it ends. Okay, because this is not going to be available hereafter. So who people are not registered for it, register as soon as possible. Okay. Okay, so that's all about it. Okay. So yeah, so now this is all about. So whatever you really want in your life, try to write like that you have already owned it. Like for an example, if you want to do a world tour or like world tour, so write like that. I went world tour. I did world tour. Don't write like I want to own or I want to go. Don't write like that. Instead, write like you have already did that. Write like a past tense, so that you will be in that kind of frequency where you will be achieving whatever you really want in life. What in your life? Okay. So now you guys share your mind frequency, how it is, and how you are feeling in your live chat after crossing this 11 points of programming mind. Okay, you just give your responses in the live chat, how you are feeling in the like how you are feeling. Is it motivated, or is it gonna be really helpful at any point of your life? You just give your responses in the live chat, or you people are really happy to being here. Okay. Okay, so guys, please don't spam our attendance link. Attendance link will be shared any time of the time. Okay, any point of the line. Okay, please don't spam for the attendance. If you are only here for attendance, if you are only here for certificate getting, this is not a right place for you. You can completely leave the session. You can attend some other courses or some other places and wherever. Okay, so this is not a right place. Okay, this 30 days, it's not for us to spend complete 30 days, which is already having in a course to be conducted on 30 days for free in YouTube, by sending you an emails, by sending you an WhatsApp groups, by sending you an telegrams, by posting in daily scheduling and daily preparing for it and daily conducting this kind of spending this 90 minute, this valuable, this 90 minute for you. So a lot of people are really knowing the value, but some people are coming only for the attendance. That is really painful, guys. Okay, please don't come for the attendance. Please try to focus on the session. Okay, even though you are not getting a certificate, be happy for it. Okay, so because you have a knowledge which is going to be gained from this 30 days. Okay, feel good and look forward to the class. That's amazing. Benjamin, feeling inspired. Godson, that's amazing. And Ashwin, thank you so much, sir, for posting helpful. Okay, so that's amazing, guys. That's amazing. Okay, so I just really enjoyed it. Awesome course. That's amazing, guys. How to follow this order? So on that 5-in-1 course, first start with in this order itself: AI, machine learning, data analytics, Python, and deep learning. This is the order. Okay, so yeah, because I am also really don't want to make you to complete Python first, because whenever you are going for the direct Python, you may think that is like programming syntax. You'll be feeling demotivated. But after completing these 3 courses, you'll be having nearly around 50 plus project in your hand. Then you'll be, I can handle the Python. So that kind of mentalities. Then you can move on depth on the Python, because data structure, depth on the Python skills are also highly necessary. That's why Python is also being covered. Okay, so yes. So that is all about here. And guys, if you guys have any questions, please raise your questions in the live chat. Okay, so Q&A session. So it's the right time to ask a question. Okay, so I got an information that still now lot of international people can't able to pay for it. So that's why what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna be extending this time for furthermore 15 minutes. Okay, furthermore 15 minutes. I'm just extending this time. Okay, so yes. Okay, let me start the countdown again. Okay, so I just extended this time for more than 15 minutes, guys. Okay, just yeah, you can use the link. Give some time for 999 5-in-1 combo. My parents are out. Never enough FF. Okay, need 30 minutes more. Okay, so based on your request, let me extend the time for more than 30 minutes, guys. Yeah, I think it'll be good for you. Yeah, I just extended the time to furthermore 30 minutes. Yes. Give some explanation about 5 combos. Guys, while talking about this 5 combos, first of all, let us see the comparison between the YouTube webinar, which we are conducting here, and the 5-in-1 internship program. First one, YouTube webinar, which you are attending here, this is gonna be free. Yes. But 5-in-1 internship, which is gonna be charged you around 999, which inclusive of the taxes. And the number of courses, this is going to be only one, the machine learning. But in the 5-in-1 internship, it is going to be 5-in-1 internship. More totally, you are going to get 5 courses. Because in a YouTube, you are going to get only machine learning. But in an internship, you are going to get Python, AI, machine learning course, and data analytics course, and deep learning course. So totally 5 courses you are going to get. And talking about the video recordings, this YouTube video will be deleted on that day itself, or it might be deleted within one day. Okay, one day this video will be deleted, removed from this YouTube channel. Okay, but if you are registering for the internship, that complete recording video is going to be available for the lifetime. Okay, learning portal is going to be available. You're going to get access for that. And the material, source code, live sessions, hackathons, and those stuffs, it is not going to be available for the webinar participants, but that is going to be available for the internship participants. Some kind of events which you can able to attend, like boot camp. Saturday we used to conduct 3 hours boot camp that you can attend. And while talking about the certificate, if you are completing this YouTube webinar, nearly around 23 days of minimum attendance, you are going to get webinar e-certificate. But 5-in-1 internship, you will be getting 5 internship certificates: Python internship certificate, AI internship certificates, machine learning internship certificates, data analytics internship certificate, deep learning internship certificate. So likewise, you're going to get 5 internship certificate. And while talking about the validity of the course, this is not going to have any validity, but this 5-in-1 internship, you're going to have lifetime validity. Okay, so I hope you guys have got an idea. Will we allowed to join private community? Yes, you'll be allowed to join our private community. Python will be included in free webinar. No, so only Python knowledge you'll be getting, not an individual complete course. Because if you are just visiting this course bundle, so this is actually the courses, right? So internship on Python, which is out there. So machine learning is there. So machine learning 30 days agenda. You can check it out. Each and every agenda. Please visit this URL and visit this 5 courses agenda, guys. If you have any agenda related inquiries, you just visit the link. I used to give it in the live chat. You just click the link and explore 5 courses agenda. Number 1, machine learning, AI, data analytics, deep learning, and Python. So explore agendas and you'll be getting idea what you are going to learn, especially what kind of project you're going to do on that part. Okay, so I hope you guys have got it. From tomorrow, it is going to be completely hands-on, guys. If you are having a laptop, please bring your laptop for the tomorrow session, so that you can able to build a lot of project on the tomorrow session. So from tomorrow, complete hands-on is going to be there. If you are missing tomorrow session, you will be getting a lot of confusion on the rest of the part, because from the 3rd day itself, we are going to start building up a project. The third day, we are going to be building a project which is sales classification or whatever it is. It is advertisement sale prediction. That is what the project which we are going to start on the 3rd day. So don't miss out the tomorrow session, so that it's going to be super easy for you to cover it up. Okay. Okay, that upgradation link will be shared through an email, only for the people who have already paid $750 to register one course for the past 5 days, I think so, only using the specific link. Okay, only for that people you'll be getting upgradation link. Other than that, it's not going to be available for the people who have already done by paying by doing a payment on other offers. Okay, that's not going to be available for that people. Okay, yeah. So guys, If you guys have any question related to this courses or those stuff, so you can ask your questions in the live chat. And if you guys haven't followed me, you can also follow me through the LinkedIn, my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below. You just click the link and you can follow me through the LinkedIn. And if you guys have any question, you just give your questions in the live chat. I would have not paid 750 for machine learning as it already covered in 5-in-1. Okay, so, but in this, okay, I didn't get what you have told. Okay, so it is for beginners, not like that, because it is going to be completely from the scratch. Okay, so it's for beginners means like from the scratch to the master level. Okay, because we guys have even taught how to install the application, how to install each and every library, like how to configure the environmental variables. Likewise, each and every step by step we guys have covered, so don't worry about it. Okay. 5-in-1 when it will start, sir. Guys, once you have done a payment, directly you can visit learn.pantechsolutions.net website and you can start exploring your courses. Okay. Is it mandatory to complete the course in the same order as mentioned? That will be very easy because that is framed based on the problem where people are facing. But while people are gone on to that journey, they felt really happy. They felt really easy. So that's why I'm asking you to go on that way. I know C++. Yes, definitely you can join because in our community, do you know that even though we have a student from 8th standard from the school, that's amazing, right? So you can also learn that. Guys, do you guys have any amazing question? Because I really love questions because if you guys have any questions, it'll be very easy to interact with you guys. I have no knowledge in machine learning, but I know Python and data analytics and pandas, NumPy, matplotlib. Can I learn from this machine learning? Yes, of course, because we'll be covering lot wide varieties of algorithms. So it'll be very easy and very beneficial for you, definitely. And Chinay posted something. Thank you, Sanjay. The knowledge is priceless. I will definitely complete this 30 days without dropping off it. That's amazing. Let us give great applause for Chinay for posting that amazing reply. Yes. Is that courses or live? No, it is a self-paced, but additionally, we'll be having some bootcamp session on Saturdays. Do we need to watch both live and 5-in-1 course? No need to do that. You can either go here or there. Okay, it's up to you. It's up to you guys. Is these internship certificates you provide are valuable? Yes, of course. It's valuable. It's everything. Whatever the certificate which you are getting, you are not going to get a job by simply having a certificate. You can complete or you can get certificate from any places. It's about the knowledge. It's about the project which I have completed. It's about to satisfy the job description which they are requiring. They're recruiting the people for the job role. So that's where the value which is lies on. What is the duration of this course? Each and every course which is a 30 days, except the Python. Except Python is 10 days course. But you can able to easily complete it, guys, because each and every day the duration is just around 40 minutes, 1 hour. So you can able to easily complete it. How do we pay for the certificate? So no need to pay additional payment for certificate, guys. So if it is a webinar, you'll be getting for free. So certificate for free you're going to get, but internship certificate you'll be getting only after registering for that 5-in-1 combo. Abdullah, will you see you tomorrow? That's amazing. That's amazing. Sanjay, if I have studied at my own pace and finished the course in 60 days, can I still reach out to you for clearing my doubts? Yes, definitely you can reach out. Can I build at least my ML project from this YouTube live session? The YouTube live session problem is, I'm telling you, you can't able to get every attachment, source code, data set. Nothing is going to be shared like as an attachment. But like for that, I'm not telling you like I'm going to hide every code. I'm going to be completely transparent. I'm going to be showing you the data set. I'm going to be showing you the program and everything. So only problem is you need to see and you need to type. You need to pause. You need to play. You need to once the live has been completed before the video is going to be deleted, you need to pass play to copy paste the every source code just by seeing and typing. So that's the problem, right? In the internship, you're going to get the complete zip files as an attachment, which is going to have PPT, PDF, source code, data set, and trade model file, everything you're going to get. Thank you, Sanjay. We love from Nigeria. Thank you so much. Learn with Gabby. That's amazing. It's really a great honor. Thank you so much for posting that amazing reply. Guys, did you guys have enjoyed the session? If you guys have enjoyed the session, you just post I enjoyed. And you can also post your comments in the live chat. Ankit Kumar, sir, have a wonderful session. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Can I complete course in more than 30 days and get certificate? In the internship, you can get that. Okay. Yes. What will be the next step, bro? Yeah, so once you have registered for the internship, you can visit that learn.pantech.solutions.net and you can explore the courses. Yeah. Our sources can download all the internship. Yes, you can download source code, dataset, trained model file, PDF, PPT, everything you can able to download it. Goswami say Jai. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sandeep, thank you. And Uma, thank you. And Trust, thank you. And Sai Tejashri, I really enjoy. Thank you. And Abdullah Niaz, thank you. And thank you, Abdullah Nice. Thank you, Darlington. Thank you, Tarun. Thank you, Bobby Reddy. Thank you. Thank you, Jayasudha. Thank you, Benjamin. Thank you, Asha. It was a worthy session. We are eagerly waiting for further session. That's amazing. Stay till I end. Don't give up until the 30th day, guys. Enjoyed it. Praveen, thank you. And Shaif Safed, thank you so much. Thank you. And Ashwin, sir, thank you. Okay, guys. Again, I'm telling you, only 22 minutes were left where you can able to grab this offer like a 5-in-1 course bundle. So a lot of people are still registering for it. Don't waste your time. This is the right opportunity to get 5 courses because it's not going to be available after this 22 minutes. So before this offer ends, so grab this offer and register for this internship as soon as possible because you're going to get 5 courses, each and every course, which is a 30 days course except Python. And you're going to be getting every project, source code, dataset, PPT, PDF, source code, dataset, and trained model files and etc. Everything you're going to get. And also you can attend boot camps on each and every Saturday live on mornings. So morning 3 hours boot camp, 3 hours or 90-minute boot camp is going to be conducted. You can attend that and you're going to get 5 certificates, 5 internship certificate. You're going to get Python, AI, ML, DA and DL. So everything you're going to get. And is there any timeline to complete? No, it's not having any timeline. It's a lifetime validity. You can complete based on your need. And congratulations to the people who have registered for that 5-in-1 combo. The people who already registered by paying the rupees of 750, you'll be getting upgradation link through email. You can use the email to do the upgradation for 999 if you want. Thank you so much, Susan. Thank you so much, Vijay. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your lovely reply, lovely interaction. Please don't give up and stay till the 30 days end so that you're going to get a lot of projects, nearly 28 plus projects, which is going to be in your hand. So don't miss out any live session. There are a lot of bonus tasks, which I'm going to be sharing with you. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your love and support, which are given throughout the session. And if you guys haven't still now haven't followed me, you can also follow me through the LinkedIn. My LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below, you just click that link and you can follow me. And if you guys have any doubt, you can visit this or you can mail to learn@warriorsway.in. And if you guys wanted to look out for project or products, you can visit pantech.solutions.net. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your love. And I really love this batch. Okay, please keep on doing that. Keep on interacting like this. I'm really expecting you on each and every day, each and every individual who are out there, because a lot of value out there. Right? So thank you so much once again. So thank you. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session.